Have you ever dreamed of landing a high-paying job at a top tech company like Google, Facebook, or Microsoft? With a coding bootcamp, that dream could become a reality in just 3 to 6 months. Coding bootcamps are growing in popularity for a reason. They offer intensive, hands-on training that can help you launch a successful career in tech. In today's video, we'll share everything you need to know before enrolling in a coding bootcamp and help you choose the right one for your goals and aspirations. Coding isn't just a boring technical skill. It's a powerful tool that can help you solve complex problems and create amazing things. With the right training, coding can be fun, rewarding, and even enjoyable. That's where coding bootcamps come in. These intensive programs are designed to give you hands-on experience with the real-world coding scenarios so you can learn by doing and master the skills you need to succeed. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, a coding bootcamp can help you take your abilities to the next level and prepare you for a career in tech. But before you enroll, there are a few things you should know. Before you enroll in a coding bootcamp, it's important to make sure it's the right fit for you. Coding isn't for everyone, and it takes dedication, hard work, and a passion for problem solving to succeed. If you're not sure whether coding is something you'll enjoy, we recommend trying it out on your own first. There are plenty of free resources online, like Free Code Camp, Code Academy, and YouTube videos that can help get you started and see if coding is right for you. By taking the time to explore and learn independently, you'll be better prepared to succeed in a coding bootcamp and get the most out of your investment. Once you've decided that coding is for you, the next step is to plan your budget. Coding bootcamps can be expensive, with costs ranging from $15,000 to $20,000 or more. While that might seem like a lot, keep in mind that the traditional 4-year college degree can cost twice as much or more. To avoid financial stress and distractions, it's important to carefully consider your budget and make sure you have the funds to cover your tuition, living expenses, and other costs. Some coding bootcamps offer financing options or scholarships to help students with financial need. So be sure to check what's available before you enroll. Additionally, the location of the bootcamp can have a big impact on your costs. Attending a bootcamp in a city with a high cost of living like San Francisco can add significantly to your expenses. By choosing a more affordable location, you can save money and focus on your studies without worrying about money. Before you enroll in a coding bootcamp, it's important to research the job market and understand what opportunities are available to you. Coding is a competitive field, and as more people turn to bootcamps and self-teaching to learn code, the number of entry-level developer jobs may be limited. To get a sense of what's out there, search for entry-level developer or junior developer on LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Indeed, and see how many results you get in your area. Then, read the job descriptions carefully to see what qualifications and experience are required. This will help you understand the market and see whether you'll need additional training or experience to land a job after your bootcamp. Keep in mind that it can take time to find a job, so it's important to be patient and persistent. When choosing a coding bootcamp, it's important not to prioritize money over learning. Yes, coding can be a lucrative career, and some graduates of coding bootcamps earn high salaries right out of the gate. But the reality is that salaries vary widely depending on the organization and the level of technology you have. So, if your only goal is to make a lot of money, you may be disappointed. Instead, think of a coding bootcamp as an opportunity to learn and advance in the tech industry, rather than just a way to land a high-paying job. By focusing on learning and developing your skills, you'll be better prepared to succeed in the long run and take advantage of the many opportunities that a career in tech can offer. One thing to keep in mind is that your first job after a coding bootcamp might not be your dream job. It's unlikely that you'll land a job at a top tech company like Google, Microsoft, or Apple right out of the gate. Instead, you'll probably need to start at a smaller company or an organization that's not as well known and work your way up. This is a normal part of the career development process, and it's how many successful coders got their start. So, don't be discouraged if your first job isn't exactly what you were hoping for. Instead, think of it as an opportunity to gain valuable experience, build your skills, and network with other professionals in the field. With hard work and persistence, you could eventually land your dream job and achieve your goals in tech. When you enroll in a coding bootcamp, you should be prepared for a different learning experience than you might have had in college. While traditional computer science degrees often focus on theoretical concepts and principles, coding bootcamps are designed to provide hands-on, practical learning opportunities. This means you'll be working on real-world projects using the latest tools and technologies and getting feedback and mentoring from industry experts. This kind of project-based learning can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. It's the best way to prepare for a career in tech and give yourself the skills and experience you need to succeed in a dynamic and constantly changing industry. One of the many benefits of attending a coding bootcamp is the opportunity to network with your peers, fellow students, and instructors. These connections can be incredibly valuable as you develop your career in tech. Your fellow students may be able to help you find your dream job, introduce you to potential employers, or provide support and advice as you navigate the challenges of starting a career in tech. Additionally, by joining online programming communities and forums, you can connect with other coders who share your interests and goals. These connections can provide valuable support, inspiration, and knowledge that can help you grow as a coder and explore new areas of the tech industry. So, don't be shy. Take advantage of the networking opportunities that the Coding Bootcamp offers and build a strong, supportive community around you. If you're currently working full-time or attending school full-time, it's important to inform your employers or professors that you're planning to enroll in a coding bootcamp. While coding bootcamps are designed to be flexible and accommodate students of all ages and backgrounds, the majority of your classmates may be working professionals or full-time students. By letting your employer or professors know about your plans, you'll be able to manage your workload and schedule effectively and avoid any conflicts or misunderstandings. Be sure to explain why you're interested in attending a bootcamp, what you hope to learn, and what dates you'll be attending. This will help your employer or professors understand your goals and support you as you pursue them. One of the best ways to evaluate a coding bootcamp and decide whether it's right for you is to read student reviews and see if the graduates are now working as developers. While no bootcamp is perfect, student reviews can provide valuable insights into the quality of the training, the effectiveness of the instructors, and the support and resources provided by the bootcamp. To find student reviews and see if graduates are now working as developers, check out websites like Bootcamp Finder and Course Report, which offer detailed evaluations and ratings of coding bootcamps. You can also reach out to recent graduates of the bootcamp you're considering and ask for their honest opinions. This can be a great way to get a sense of what it's like to attend the bootcamp and whether it can help you achieve your goals in tech. One thing to keep in mind when considering a coding bootcamp is that not all students have the same level of experience with coding. Some students may have been coding for years, while others may be complete beginners. This means that you may have to work harder to catch up with your classmates if you don't have much coding experience. This can be challenging, but it's also a great opportunity to learn and grow. You'll be working on group projects and assignments, which can provide valuable insights and perspectives from other students. However, you should be prepared to put in extra effort and work independently if you need to. With hard work and dedication, you can overcome any challenges and succeed in a coding bootcamp, regardless of your previous experience. Now that you know what to consider before enrolling in a coding bootcamp, it's time to make a decision. If you're interested in pursuing a career in tech and want to gain the skills and knowledge you need to succeed, a coding bootcamp can be a great option. But it's not for everyone. You need to have the passion, dedication, and drive to succeed in a challenging, fast-paced environment. So, think carefully about your goals, your budget, and your expectations, and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. And if you want to learn more about how to choose the right coding bootcamp for you, click on the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more valuable tips and insights on coding and tech careers.